This is the new style unboxing of the HDMI cable, premium certified, gold standard of all cables for HDMI, featuring Buff Mac. Go Buff.
Hi everybody, I'm Buff Mac. Welcome to our unboxing video. Here we have the Blackweb HDMI cable. The packaging, it's absolutely superb. There's some embossment here on the front and a QR code that receives it'll give you all the information about the product that you would need to know. On the back side here, there is a very sturdy plastic case, very nice, presentable. I really like the finish that they use. It's kind of like a satin finish, very nice, and the pattern is embossed throughout the packaging. Very nice indeed. All right, let's get to the unboxing here. This is a precision experiment here. Gotta be very careful. You see, it didn't even go through. That's how durable this packaging is. A little harder? Okay.
What kind of knife you using, Buff?
It's a Milwaukee. It's actually a really fantastic knife. You can pick them up just about at any hardware store. Really highly suggest that as well. All right. Finish it with a rip. Wow, that is really tough. Really fantastic packaging here. I can't stress that enough. Let's get onto the cord. Oh wow. Wow, they really make it difficult for you. Both good and bad. We're gonna have to do some further cutting. I'm trying to be as careful as possible. You really don't want to cut the cord.
Can you put that in there, how about?
Whoa. I'll tell you what, they really make you work for it. If you don't work out 3 times a week, do not buy this product. This is really intense. So, okay, here we go. Fantastic. Now, we have this really nice gold finish on the ends here. Make it really recognizable in the dark. And I think that's just fantastic. A lot of times you can't see what's going on back there. I'm going to uncurl it here so you can see the full length of this product. Wow, they really, I think that the product packaging might be a little excessive. They probably have the most executive packaging product engineer out there. Okay, the braiding on this is extremely tight, very nice, sturdy feeling. And look at this. Okay. So it kind of has a shapeable aspect to it. So you can run it real nice and easy. Get it in those corners and bends into the cabinet. I really like what I'm seeing here. I think you can do quite a bit of expansion for your entertainment system here if you got one of these. I think that I would highly recommend this to anybody looking for a really serious cable that'll expand your entertainment system and bring joy to your family for, I assume, a decade. These look incredible. I think you go ahead and purchase these. You're in good business. Definitely have an effective way of unwrapping it, and be safe out there. Have a good day. This is Buff Mac.